Today we'll be installing a new charge cable. This will allow you to charge your phone, heated gear, or ultimately keep the bike battery charged while it's not in use. First up, remove your seats. Locate your battery, positive, negative. Take your charging cable, positive will go with positive, negative go with negative. Remove the rubber caps, giving you exposure. Take a screwdriver, loosen up this nut and small little bolt that's inside. And the same on this end. You'll notice I haven't taken anything off just yet. I'm just loosening them, just slightly. I'm going to do the positive wire first. The positive wire is the one that has the fuse on it. So that's important. The one that has the fuse, because it's much safer. Release the nut. Just going to add the nut through the contact and retighten. Once that's done, just seal the rubber cap back over it to protect it. You're going to do the exact same for the negative. And tighten. That's your positive wire, that's your negative wire. Put the caps back on. You now have a charging cable that will allow you to charge a USB if you wish. Or if you decided to, you could also hook this up to a charger and have your bike charge while it's not in use. Simple as that. Reinstall and see.